Aspris, introducing the next generation of physiotherapy technology, laser therapy system. Designed with precision engineering, this advanced laser device delivers safe, effective, and non-invasive treatment for pain management, tissue repair, and faster healing. With dual-handle technology, multiple wavelength options, and user-friendly operation, the Physio Laser machine ensures maximum therapeutic benefits for both patients and professionals. Let's start the dual probe Physio Laser machine. This advanced laser therapy system is equipped with 4 specialized modes. Dermatology mode, designed for skin rejuvenation and tissue repair. Physiotherapy mode, for effective pain management, inflammation control, and accelerated healing. Neurology mode, supporting nerve regeneration and neurological rehabilitation. And manual mode, giving you complete flexibility to customize laser parameters according to specific treatment requirements. With these versatile programs, the device ensures safe, precise, and result-oriented therapy across multiple medical applications. Our advanced laser system features 17 dermatology programs covering conditions such as each protocacne, 1 acne, 2 alopecia, 3 cicatrix keloidum, 4 cicatrix receins, 5 combustio, 6 decubitus, 7 dermatitis, 8 dermatitis pierialis, 9 eczema, 10 furunculus, 11 hematoma, 12 herpes zoster simplex, 13 lichen planus, 14 rosacea, 15 sanatio postopa ativa, 16 striae, 17 ulcus crurus is designed to reduce inflammation, accelerate healing, and restore healthier skin, safely, effectively, and non-invasively. The physiotherapy program of our advanced laser system offers 32 specialized protocols tailored to support pain relief, mobility, and recovery. From common conditions such as arthritis, bursitis, and contusions, to chronic issues including epicondylitis, ischialgia, neuralgia, and sacral pain, each program is designed to target inflammation, stimulate circulation, and accelerate natural healing. Specialized protocols also address migraines, edema, carpal tunnel, Dupuytren's disease, tinnitus, and more. With these 32 dedicated physiotherapy programs, our laser therapy system provides safe, non-invasive, and clinically effective solutions, restoring movement, reducing pain, and supporting faster rehabilitation. The neurology program offers 11 specialized protocols designed to manage pain and support nerve recovery. From ischialgia, neuralgia, and facial nerve paralysis to migraines, sacral pain, and spinal conditions, each program is tailored to reduce discomfort, improve circulation, and enhance neurological rehabilitation. With safe, non-invasive technology, our laser system empowers faster healing and long-lasting relief. Experience precision therapy with our advanced laser mode. Choose between 100 mW or 500 mW power and switch effortlessly between continuous or pulsed operation. Adjust pulse frequencies from 1 to 20 pulses and set your treatment time from 1 to 30 minutes. Simply pick your applicator, pointer or cluster probe, and let the session begin. For the pointer probe, you can easily adjust the settings to suit your treatment requirements. Simply follow the same simple process, select your power, mode, pulse frequency, and duration, and start the machine for precise and effective therapy. Getting started is effortless with our preset programs. Simply navigate to the program menu, pick your desired program with power, pulse, and time already perfectly set, choose your probe, and start your treatment in seconds. Precision therapy has never been this easy.